Here's a fortune teller board that I made. The foil button allows you to help him think by pressing his hands to his head. And you press the button on the right to receive an answer for your question. There's yes, no, and try again. Here's the back of the board. You can see all the connections that I've made. Let's start with the hobby motor up top. It's connected to motor number 1, and then for motor number 2, we have the TT motor down here, and then we have both servo motors attached. We also have this button here that is attached to A7 and ground, and then there's an LED that's attached to A2 and ground. And for the A6 pad, we have a touch sensor using a piece of foil. Here's the code that I used. For the foil button on A6, when you press it, the LED turns on, and the servo is set on the right side and the left side to point towards the head. And when you aren't pressing the foil, the servo sets the arms back to resting position at this angle and turns the LED off. When you press down on the button, the motors run, and then when you let go of the button, the motors will stop.